Hello everyone, welcome to my class. Today I am here for discussing about an important topic which is enterprise resource planning, and this software is crucially important for an organization. And if an organization want to survive with the globalization era, we must implement this software into an organization. Not only with the business purpose, it can be implemented in any educational institution, manufacturing, textile industry, and so on. And so what is ERP? Basically ERP is an integrated software and it is a single centralized database system which can accumulate all of the business functional activities into a single database system, and it can manage both internal and external functions. We all know that business has multiple functions like production and inventory management, supply chain management, customer relationship management, human resource management, and so on. And here ERP can help the organization to accumulate all of the functions into a centralized system. So what is a brief history of ERP? Back in 1960, it was inventory management and control system, and after that MRP was introduced, and MRP is basically the production scheduling of an organization system. And after 1917, in 1980 MRP2 was introduced, which is material requirements planning, and it was the natural extension of legacy MRP system. And at last in 1990 ERP was introduced, and it is the emergent and latest technology into this world. So what are the important features of ERP? Basically it has several features. It helps an organization to manage multifunctional activities. It traces the raw materials of the organization. It can monitor the production and sourcing system. It can help the customers to integrate with their system. So why should we implement an ERP system? And it has basically two benefits. One is the tangible and intangible benefits, and in terms of tangible benefits we can see that first of all, efficiency. By efficiency, what we mean? Efficiency means using the resources wisely and in a cost effective manner. And forecasting means predict the future, what will be our customer, how much we produce to meet the needs of the customer. And integrated information means the accumulation of all information like manufacturing, accounting, financing information. And improved in sale. If we implement an ERP in an organization, ultimately it can increase our sales, we can generate more revenue, and we can optimize our resources in a proper way. And in terms of intangible benefits, it helps to improve the visibility of the organization. A manufacturing manager can see what will be the resources and what is the resources in hand of the organization, and new and improved business process, and we can develop our product and design process. And if a company without an ERP, and if a company is not an ERP system, it faces lot of difficulties. For example, inconsistency, data incompatibility, data duplicacy. So for example, several functions manage several databases, and so that and as a result they will fall data redundancy and data duplicacy. So in case of ERP system, we can reduce this problem, and we can generate an improved reporting system. And it also helps to retain the customer, because customer satisfaction is more important for an organization, and it is said that customer is the king. And so to maintain the customer base, we have to retain the customer first. ERP vendors of the organization, and there are a lot of vendors, and SAP is the largest ERP vendors in terms of market share, and it is the German based company. So So here is the conclusion about this topic, and we must say that to compete with this globalization world and to manage the organization efficiently, we must have an ERP system, and which can certainly reduce the organization overall cost and increase the benefit and productivity of the organization. Thanks.